Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to talk about a new product which will be launched on 8th of July. It's called Smarty Builder. So this is a Smarty Builder review, and as you can see at the top of this sales page here, it shows you brand new smart technology creates cash grabbing e-com sites that set up once and pay you forever and all that crap. Okay, now you have to understand this review very thoroughly, so make sure you watch it till the end, because there are two sides of this product. One is that this will generate those e-commerce websites for you where you can list your products and make sales, and second is talking about making money online. So you understand that this channel is purely and surely and obviously and always against make money online. So we are not going to consider this product as a make money online, but we will talk about the good things, that how this software or this particular website can help you to design and make the e-commerce websites, so that you can find an let's say an alternative to Shopify. Okay, because Shopify is the most popular e-commerce store, and they charge you monthly. So if you buy this system, you will actually not have to go to Shopify, especially if you're a beginner, and you can save money and you don't have to pay monthly. Okay, so before we get into all the details, pros and cons, make sure first of all we go through some disclaimers, because if you're new to our channel, you need to see these disclaimers, because the secret is out. In order to make money online, you need to stop losing money online. Okay, so if you're watching other review videos on YouTube, other affiliates, they sell you every damn thing in the world. Okay, if that is a scam product or the genuine product, they don't care, because they just want to sell it. Okay, so this channel is not about selling you just anything. This channel will tell you exactly if you need that or not. So we never recommend you any make money online software. You can watch our previous videos. Okay, so make sure you do not buy anything that says you will make some money. You only need to buy any tools or softwares or hosting, such things which we tell you if you can buy that or not. Okay, we'll talk about that everything in detail. Second thing is we need to understand the concept of bonuses, which is exposed, because all the other affiliates on YouTube and Warrior Plus and everywhere, they crap you about bonuses. If you watch their videos, they'll say, hey, I'm gonna give you $5,000 bonus, hey, I'm gonna give you $10,000 bonus, I'm gonna give you $20,000 bonus, as if they're going to put that money into your bank account. So you see how funny, how silly thing that is. So somebody's crapping you about bonuses, 10,000, 5,000, as if they are going to put that money into your bank account. That's not going to happen, right? So don't fall for the bonus shit, because that's totally brainwash. I'll explain the bonus in the end of the video. And the last thing I want you from this is to subscribe to this channel, because this channel saves your money. You go and subscribe to other channels, that's not a problem, but they will ask you to buy something, and that will be a scam product 99% of the time. This channel only tells you what you need to buy, what you don't. So make sure you watch our videos for sure and subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button, do comment which country you're from, and press that bell notification so that you can get our videos instantly. Okay, now let's start the review. Let's go back to the website here, brand new technology and all that. Now let's take a look at the features here. Setup once, get paid over and over again. No monthly fees, perfect and made easy for beginners, all inclusive, no monthly cost, pandemic proof, business that's keep growing. Okay, here's the dashboard. As you can see, we are logged into the dashboard, and also we have a demo video for you. So we'll go through everything one by one, so make sure you stick till the end. Okay, otherwise you might end up losing your money. Now the pricing for this product is one-time cost $27. That's the upfront cost or the basic cost to get into it. And then it says you have 3 steps: grab your copy and then activate your traffic, and so you develop your stores, you list your products, then you activate the traffic. Now they have not shown the traffic method. I think probably they're calling about Facebook, they're talking about Facebook, but they have not explicitly told that which traffic method they're talking about, but I'm guessing it's Facebook they're talking about. Okay, so let's go further down, and it's all, don't go on the screenshots, don't take a look at the screenshots. It's not something which you should think as a money making. So do not consider this software as a money making machine. This is only going to build you shopping websites, e-commerce websites, similar like Shopify. Okay, as you can see, these are the alternatives. This particular software, Smarty Builder, this is an alternative to Shopify, ClickFunnels, ClickBank, Smarty Builder. This is here right now. So let's go further down. There's nothing much to talk about. These are the features of the website. Next, we are going to take a look at the demo and dashboard. Now let's go through some bullet points here. So it says create your own store with unlimited products, earn commissions from everything you sell on your store, profit from other people's product without creating anything, no messing around with complicated keys, free bad traffic upgrade, one link social traffic technology, Facebook retargeting, Google Analytics, fully hosted, and this is all. Okay, so these are the features which you can check. And then this is the dashboard we are into. Here is the store. This is the QR code. You can actually download the QR code as well. I don't know what the use of the QR code. If you're selling something physically, then maybe it's good. And also here you have all products, add products, everything. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at this 3 minutes demo video. So what I'll do is I'll play the video so that you can see how this works in that demo video, and then I will come back. So make sure you do not leave the video, because I'm going to shut off for 3 minutes, and then I'll be back and then help you to decide if you need this or not. Okay, so let's play the video and wait for 3 minutes. Watch it for 3 minutes. I will be on hold and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you have seen the demo that they have shown you how you can design the e-commerce website, your store, and get it live, and then they were trying to create a campaign to get some traffic. And as I said, that the demo video just ended there, and they did not show which traffic source they are they're talking about. I am guessing that they might be just linking your Facebook account with your e-commerce URL store or the website. but it's like free traffic, so it's not necessarily gonna make some sales for you. So bringing traffic to your e-commerce store, to your website, is your own headache. It's your own responsibility. If you know how to get traffic, you have to run some Facebook ads, maybe some Google ads, and then you have to take people to your store, and then you have to make some sales. So this particular software is actually going to help you to design the Shopify stores, or maybe Shopify's similar stores. So this is an alternative to Shopify. If you don't want to pay every month, then make sure you buy this product, and do not mix it with make money online, because you make money only when you make sales, and in order to make sales you need to have traffic. Okay, so traffic is your own responsibility. Buy this product if you can bring traffic to your e-commerce website. So this software will help you design as many stores you want, and you can also add your custom domains. So let's say you already have your own blog or your own website, then you can host these e-commerce websites to your domain. So let's say right now this website is being built on smartybuilder.com, so your e-commerce store will be hosted on smartybuilder.com. But if you have your own website, let's say abc.com, so then you can add your own domain, and your e-commerce store will be hosted on abc.com. So that's how you can give the personalized custom look to your business and to your brand. Okay, now if you do not have a website, and if you start to get your own website or blog, but you do not have enough money, right? Because mostly if you're a beginner, if you're a newbie, you should avoid any monthly subscriptions like hosting subscription or anything which asks you to pay monthly. You should avoid that. So let's say Shopify, you should avoid that because you can't afford to pay monthly. Similarly, the hosting services from GoDaddy, Namecheap, Bluehost, you should avoid everything which is a subscription basis or monthly basis. So for example, if you are looking for an e-commerce alternative, you can buy this product, Smarty Builder, in one-time cost today. And if you are looking to start a website or blog and you're looking for a one-time hosting, then you can check out the link in the description below. That link will take you to this website called hostpresso.com, and these people are giving you $5 discount as well. So they're giving you unlimited hosting is $12. It's a one-time charge, to be very honest, and you have to look into the upgrades as well. So they're saying host unlimited websites and domains, no restrictions, high-speed servers, no monthly cost. They're giving you SSL as well. So you can take a look at this website by clicking on the link in the description below. This website gives you unlimited hosting, which means that you can start your own blog, your own website, or your own e-commerce store without paying anything monthly. Okay, so do check this out. And in the end, we will talk about the bonuses. So all these affiliates, if you go onto YouTube, let's say, and which product, let's say we talk about the recent product which we did review yesterday. Come on. Okay, so this Smarty Builder review. Okay, let's see if somebody has made reviews already or not. Seems sleeping. Okay, somebody has made a review, one person, this person. Okay, you see here, this is what I'm talking about. So these people are giving you reviews, and in the video, if you play the video, they'll be talking like, they'll be showing you got $10,000 bonus, you got $20,000 bonus, you got my food. Okay, so this is totally a scam. There's no such thing as bonus. Bonus is something which should get credited into your bank account as an as a liquid cash. Okay, so nobody's putting money into your bank account, and that's total brainwash. Don't fall for the bonuses. There's no bonus out there, because if you are thinking about getting an e-commerce store, your primary goal is to build the e-commerce store. And if I give you 10 bonuses along with this e-commerce store, then you will not know what to do with those 10 bonuses. Okay, you will get diverted. Your mind will get diverted from the primary goal. Your primary focus, your primary goal was to build online stores, but you got 5-10 bonuses extra now, and you don't even know what to do with them. Okay, it's a totally diversion for you. So let's say I will give you some bonuses here. This is idplr.com. you need to go on to, so type in this website called idplr.com, and you go on the free products here. Okay, now under free products, you have free ebooks, free software, free videos, free audios, free graphics, free template. Let's say you click on free software. Now this website gives you unlimited bonuses, so you can get as many bonuses you want without depending on some other stupid affiliates, because this, you have to be a producer. If you want to make money online, you have to be a producer. As long you're a consumer, as long you're consuming products, as long you're consuming knowledge, you can never make money online. Okay, so you have to start producing something. Maybe produce a software, produce some YouTube videos, produce some blogs. You have to be a producer in order to make money online. You will never make money online if you're a consumer. Okay, so here, if you go to this website idpillar.com, these are all the free products. Now what you can do is, even you can take out these products from here and you can list it on your own e-commerce website that you will build from here. Okay, or if you have your own blog, you can buy the hosting from Hostpresso. Link is in the description, and then you can list these products there. Any product which says master resale rights, that means you are allowed to resell those products and earn some money with that. So you can get as many products with master resale rights here, and then you can resell them as at a charge, and you can make some money. And this is totally free. You go to free products and you can download free ebooks, free software, free videos, anything which you want, and this is totally free. This is unlimited bonus which I'm giving you, and you don't have to depend on somebody else to crappy about bonuses like this $10,000 bonus. This, I mean, how dare you talk like that I'm giving you $10,000 bonus? So this is totally crap. Okay, now let's go ahead and end this video for now. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and make sure you watch our videos because we will save you money. And if you want to buy this Smarty Builder, buy it. The link might be in the description or might not be, and you can also check out this hosting, and the link is in the description. Okay, so we'll end the video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.